Aloha everybody, so we are on Mahi'ai Street right now and we're going to be making this right turn here on Kapiolani Boulevard. Today our tour will be from Kapiolani Boulevard to Hawaii Kai Towne Center and Costco out in Hawaii Kai. So we're going to take you there. So right now we're on Kapiolani Boulevard. We have to wait for this light, but we're going to go turn left up that ramp. Okay, so since we gotta wait for the light, I'll explain a little more. So this is Kapiolani Boulevard that we're on, Kapiolani Boulevard. And if you go up the street further up, not say if you weren't going left like we are on the freeway, if you were gonna go straight ahead on the right side, you would come to Market City on the right side where you have Walgreens, Foodland, there's a bunch of eating places in there, Dragon Tea, we go there for tea sometime. And then there's Ben Franklin on the lower side in the back. And if you were to go straight up past Market City, you would see that it turned into Waialae Avenue. Okay, so now we are entering the Lunalilo Freeway, and we're going to be heading straight down this road. At the end of this freeway, right when you get to about Kahala Mall, it turns into Kalanianaʻole Hwy as soon as you pass the mall area. So, and I'll be calling that out as we get up there. If you get off at this off-ramp, this is Waialae Avenue. This will take you to Kahala Mall. You're gonna kind of go up the ramp and then it goes back down. You'll see Times on the right side. You're gonna pass Times. You'll see Zippy's on the left side. You're gonna look to your right. You cross the traffic light and then you'll see Kahala Mall there on the right side. If you want to go up the ramp, you make that first right up the ramp into the parking lot, and if not, then you go a little further and you're going to turn right where you see Chili's into the street level parking lot. If you look to your right here over the railing, you see Waialae Golf Course, which they have the Sony Open there. It's a professional golf course and private, so you can't just go over there and want to play there. But you have the opportunity to see it if you go to the Sony Open. Okay, and right here, it turns from Lunalilo Freeway to Kalanianaʻole Hwy. Kalanianaʻole Hwy. Coming up here, you see there right there on the left side, that's Waialaiki Neighborhood Park. They have a lot of kids sports there during the week. And to get there, you would be making this left turn, coming up at the traffic light at Lunalilo Street. And there's a small parking lot there, but I guess you can park along the street if you have to. Wailupe Beach Park is there on the right side. You want to turn right into the parking lot. I think it's surfers use that parking lot to park there and then they paddle out. It's kind of a far break, I think. If you make this upcoming left turn onto West Hine Drive, that will take you to Aina Haina Shopping Center, and you would turn in on the right. So you make a left turn here off of Kalanianaʻole Highway onto West Hine Drive, and then you look to your right. There's going to be opening into the Aina Haina Shopping Center parking lot, and you can find Uncle Clay's in there, McDonald's, Foodland, My Gym, all kind of stuff in there, Starbucks. If you missed that first turn into Aina Haina Shopping Center, you can make this left turn right here on Niu Street, and you go in there, and then you're gonna make a left turn after you get in there for a little bit. This the library and Starbucks there. Coming up is Pu'u Ikena Drive, and this drive takes you up to Hawaii Lower Ridge if you wanted to go to the hike or to that area. You're gonna make a right turn here, kind of past this parking lot. There's a turn in right there before the light, and then you're going to make like a U-E in there, and it kind of loops up where the cars are coming out facing to go across to the left. That's the only way you can make it across to that side. You can't make a left turn from Kalanianaʻole Highway. Coming up here on the left side is Niu Valley Center. If you need to go there, you want to make a left turn at this next stoplight here, which is Halemau Street. You would make a left turn in there and then turn left into the parking lot. It used to be a Times supermarket. Now it's a church, and there's also Gyotaku there and 7-Eleven and some other eating places. On the right side here, you will see Mauna Lua Bay Beach Park. Not much of a beach park. It's more like a parking area where they launch boats, small boats, and canoes from. But I wouldn't. There's some sand there, but it's not a real beach. If you watch our Hawaii Kai walk, which is coming up next, you'll see it's not much of a beach in there. But up ahead on the right, you see the backside of Hanauma Bay, which is Port Lock. And then, but beyond that ridge is Hanauma Bay. On the left side, if you can see that ridge, that over there is Coco Head. And on the other side of that, you'll see Sandy Beach. You want to stay in these two left lanes. This is the preferred left lane to stay in. It's going to turn left up ahead at Keahole Street, and so you just have to wait here for that turn signal into that left turn into Keahole Street. So right here we are at Keahole Street. We're going to be making a left turn here, and that takes you to Hawaii Kai Towne Center and to Costco. But if you wanted to get to the Mauna Lua Bay Beach Park and you missed a turn, you could turn right here at that turn in on the right side, you see. And if you went straight, so if you went one lane over on the right and then you went straight on and continued down Kalanianaʻole Hwy, you look to your left and you will see Coco Marina coming up. And in the front there, I think there's a gas station, and you can see Petco, and there's also a Leonard's Malasada truck there. But in the back there, you'll see a movie theater, Haircut places, a lot of food places. Zippy's is in there, and they have ocean water sports offices there. I think you can sign up for that. Snorkeling rentals, surf shops, and there's other like clothing stores there and stuff. If you want to get a better idea of Coco Marina Center and what's there, you can check out one of our walking videos that we just recently did there. Coco Marina Center. So we're making this left turn here at Keahole Street, and a little further in you have this Roy's on the right side, which you can't see. It's fronting Kalanianaʻole Hwy, but the parking lot's in the back in here. The park kiss and ride thing, parking lot is there on the left. I guess if you want to carpool, and you can meet there and leave your car there. And also here, if you turn right here, so you'll get to the Roy's parking lot if you stay towards the right, and Outback Steakhouse. There's also offices here and stuff, and Aloha gas station. Okay, so you want to get in this right lane here because this is Hawaii Kai Towne Center, where you also have Costco there. When you're turning in, Costco is there on the left. So you want to go straight down and then turn left. If you want to go to, there's no Burger King anymore, just so you know. Ross's is here on this side as we turn right into the parking lot. So Ross's is there. City Mill is straight ahead. And there's a bunch of eating places in there also. This concludes our tour today from Kapiolani Blvd to Costco in Hawaii Kai and Hawaii Kai Towne Center. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to us. That really helps us and supports us. Thanks everybody for all your support, and don't forget to check out our Patreon link, which is down below, if you want to help us and join our team and support us in another way. Aloha, everybody.